I love stainless steel cookware. It's beautiful, timeless, but it's also a nightmare to keep clean. Just look at this pan, scrubbed, soaked, and still stained. That's why I was curious when Alva Cookware sent me their Mobi 8-piece ceramic set for free to check out. I honestly didn't expect to be impressed. Most nonstick pans I've tried either don't hold up or still need butter or oil to keep food from sticking. But these are different. The ceramic coating on these pans is one of the best nonstick surfaces I've ever cooked with. Watch this. I dropped in this omelet without butter, oil, or even cooking spray. And look how it flips, perfectly intact. The surface is smooth, even heating, and my favorite part, incredibly easy to clean. Even after cooking sticky or messy foods, cleanup takes seconds. No soaking, no scrubbing, just rinse, wipe, and you're done. Now, there are a couple of important things to know when using ceramic cookware if you want to maintain the nonstick properties. First, though these are technically dishwasher safe, the dishwasher will shorten the life of the pan. The good news is you won't even want to put them in the dishwasher when a quick swish and wipe is all it takes to get them clean. Second, you want to keep the heat on low or medium. Very high heat can damage ceramic coating. And last, like most nonstick pans, you'll want to refrain from using metal utensils. If you treat these nice, you'll have beautiful nonstick pans for years to come. And these work on all stove surfaces, from gas to electric to induction. Plus, they're oven safe up to 400 degrees, which is not something most nonstick pans can boast. And these are free from the PFAs that come with Teflon-coated pans. Plus, they came really beautifully packaged with each pan wrapped separately. They would make a stunning gift. This Alva Mobi set includes 8 pieces, 2 frying pans, 2 saucepans, and a Dutch oven along with 3 lids, all with the same easy-release ceramic surface and a sleek, modern look. I love that these are both beautiful and usable. Check the description for links to this product. If you use my links, I earn a small commission. Thanks for the support and hit that like and subscribe for more.